In front of me is Vivo Y16, and today I would like to show you how you can manage all vibration settings available on this Vivo. Begin by opening Settings, then scroll down and select Sound section. In it, scroll down again, click on Vibrate Vocals and select one of those options to pick the best one for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate. When you're ready, go back. Then click on this switcher next to notification vibration to switch off or on this option. Scroll all the way down and click on this one next to charging sounds and vibration to do the same. You can also manage that vibration by selecting this switcher next to them, and this way enable or disable haptic feedback for tap, keyword, and more. Lastly, click on the switcher next to vibrate when the other party answers or hangs up to switch off or on this one as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!